Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to do a little haul for you. Yeah, it's just going to be a few random bits, a few gothy bits, and yeah, these are a couple of things that I got a while ago that I haven't shown, which I love. So this, I got it a while ago but I haven't worn it yet and I don't know why. I got this from Shein. It's like a little cardigan which has got pentagrams all over it. It's like a cropped one. I think that's probably the reason I haven't worn it, is because I generally just wear cropped things like when I wear a dress, and I haven't worn a dress in forever. So I like that a lot. Then I got these. These are from Unwanted Apparel, and these are like leggings slash yoga pants kind of thing, but they have baphomets and pentagrams and crosses and stuff all over them. Such good quality, and it has like a little zip at the back so you can fit your phone in it and stuff. So that's that. I'm trying a new mic today. I'm hoping it works. If it doesn't, I give up, because I bought a lavalier mic and the quality of that was absolutely ass. So I bought this one. This one's like a proper, pretty cool looking microphone, but it plugs into my phone because I record on my phone because it's just easier. And yeah, I'm hoping that it sounds okay. So anyway, next I have a bunch of stuff from Shein. Everyone calls it Shein, but it is Shein, because it used to be called Shein Side. But yeah, just thought I'd say that. I'm just going to grab things because I don't remember what I ordered. But the box came today, and yeah, let's have a look. Oh yeah, I remember this because I remember just thinking, how are they selling this? Because it's literally just shredded to pieces, and I love it. It's this kind of grungy, torn up kind of dealy. Again, it's another kind of cropped thing, but I do really like it. I'll try it on, but I just love how absolutely ripped to shreds it is, and I love the colour of it as well. So that's another little thing. It's like a cropped hoodie kind of thing, but it is see-through, so you would have to wear something underneath it. Next, I have this bag. Oh no. Ooh. So these are some trousers that I ordered to potentially wear at work, but have you seen the fabric that they are? They are like jogging bottom material. They're shiny. No, they're going back. I don't like those at all. No. So they're a no. They're a big no, because I'm sure they didn't look like that on the picture. So they're a no. What is this? This is a blazer, I believe. Again, to wear at work. Not the best quality, but it's not bad actually. For what I paid for it, it ain't bad. It's got like shoulder pads and stuff. It's just a blazer. I think once it's been ironed, maybe that could be okay. It's quite long as well. I like a long blazer for work. So yeah, that one's a maybe. That's a maybe. Okay, next. Okay, so somebody at work has one of these, and I thought it was such a good idea, and I saw them on Shein, and I ordered one. So it's one of these. It's like a little lunch bag, but it is insulated inside. So yeah, I think that was like £2 or something like that. And I just thought it was really just a nice little thing. So yeah, that. Next, I have this. This is just like a car box thing, just to put in your car and just put stuff in it, because the boot of my car, because because I've got to have, in the boot of my car, I've got to have like my mum's not so steady on her feet anymore, so she's got to have one of those like walkery things, and yeah, that's got to be in the boot of my car, so it's kind of hard to keep everything tidy in the back of my car, so I've got that in hope that it tidies it up a little bit. Next, I got this because at work we occasionally have International Women's Day, and you've got to wear something pink or purple, and I don't actually own that much that is pink or purple, but I spotted this and it was so cheap. It was like £6, and if it's good, it's gonna be amazing. So it's another blazer, but it's like a cord blazer, but it is neon pink. I actually really like that. That's quite nice. I think once I've tried that on, that will actually look nice. I'll put it away for now, but yeah, I like that. Next. Okay, I got a couple of bits in here. I have some bubbles which are checkerboard, so I'm thinking I'm going to take these when I go to Silverstone to watch Formula 1. I can take these and I can use these in my hair if I have to, but there's like really small checkerboard, bit bigger, and then big old checkerboard, but I think they were like 90p or something like that. I also got a fragile handle with care. This is a privacy screen for my phone. So yeah, it's tempered glass privacy screen, which is good. And then I got this. This is just like a lanyard that has moons and pentagrams and all that stuff on them. Really nice, I like that. And again, that was like £2 or something. I wish I could get away with wearing this at work, but I don't think I can. It is this from Hey Bud, which is an Australian company, and they offered to send this out to me to do a review, and I was like, hell yeah, because it looks really good. I haven't opened it yet, but it has come all the way from Australia. And enjoy the natural high. I like that. So this is like one of their sets, and it's like a full kit of like blemish care kind of thing, because my skin at the minute ain't good underneath this foundation. So in here we have got a Get Hydrated, I think it's all CBD, which is fine by me. Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturiser. Deeply hydrates and calms skin. So we have that. There is the Hit Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. Gently cleanses and reduces excess oils. That's good. Then we have the Clear as Clay Hemp Clay Mask. Draws out impurities, clears and brightens. And then we have the Smooth It Over 10% nicotinamide, I can't pronounce that word, and hemp serum. Balances oil levels and improves skin texture, which is just what I need. And then you also get this, which is so cute. I think it's like a you know, one of those, oh, it's an actual brush. I didn't think that it was a brush. This is to this is to apply the clay mask, which is really good. That's actually a really nice brush. You could probably use that for foundation, to be honest, because it is quite soft. Really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna use these, and yeah, hopefully they'll do my skin some good, because I need it. And what is this? Introducing Serving Shade SPF 50 Sunscreen Lotion. Being as pale as I am, I need SPF 50. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that is my goodies from Hey Bud. I love the name. The name is incredible. But yeah, that is everything that I got to show you today. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.